everyone, it's Mary Kay here, and I'm the Grammy from Grammy Square. Today I'm going to show you how to make this stitch that I'm calling nesting triangles. This is a really easy stitch. In fact, this is the easiest one that I can ever remember. It's got a lot of texture and it is reversible, so you can see both sides. It's kind of heavy, so it would work for a blanket too. So let's get started. I'm going to use a bigger hook than I did with that sample pattern. This is an eye hook and worsted weight yarn. The pattern is a multiple of 4 plus 2. So I got 26 stitches. I'm going to single crochet in the second stitch from the hook, chain 5, and then I will skip 2 chains, put single crochet in the next 2, chain 5, skip 2 chains, put single crochet in the next 2, and then we'll continue across with that foundation row of chain 5, skip 2, and then single crochet in the next 2. We're at the end of the foundation row, and starting with row 2, it's just going to be a repeat of the same row over and over again. So at the end, I'm going to chain 3 and turn, and then working into these chain 5 loops here, I'll be putting 4 single crochets, chain 5, 4 single crochets in the same space, same chain 5 space. Repeat that across. Again, that's 4 single crochets in the next chain 5 space. Then chain 5, 4 single crochets into the same space. And repeat that to the end. At the end of row 2, and that's the pattern, folks. I'll just start this next row, and then you just continue as big as you want it to be. Chain 3, turn, and there's our chain 5 space from the previous round. 4 single crochets, chain 5, 4 single crochets, moving on to the next chain 5 space. Same thing. In the space, we're going to put 4 single crochets, chain 5, 4 single crochets. Stay tuned so that I'll show you how to do finishing. I finished 8 rows, which is the same number of rows as on this piece, and you can see the difference that a different hook size makes. It's much bigger. So depending on what you're looking for, use a smaller or larger hook. Okay, to finish off, here I am at the end. I'm not going to chain this time, just turn. And in each one of these chain 5 spaces, I'll put 9 single crochets. So I'll finish that to the end, show you the result. And there we go. A very easy pattern that looks a lot more difficult and intricate than it really is. Impress your friends, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment. Thanks.